Let's discuss how endocannabinoids help us learn. Endocannabinoids are endogenous cannabinoids, so that's molecules our body makes. This is not THC. THC is exogenous. So our body makes two endogenous cannabinoids named 2-arachidonal glycerol, or 2-AG, and anandamide. And these are the only lipid neurotransmitters in the human body. They're actually short-chain fatty acids. And these help us to learn. THC doesn't. We'll discuss that in a second. But what I want to talk about is how glutamate, if we're in the hippocampus where our learning is taking place, we have an excitatory neurotransmitter right here, and it releases glutamate. It binds to glutamate receptors. That will be NMDA and AMPA. Once this glutamate activates and excites the cell actually on demand will make 2-AG, 2-arachidonal glycerol. So since it's a fatty acid, it's made from the phospholipids in the cell membrane, the neuronal cell membrane. So it'll take off a little bit of the fatty acid tail. It'll create 2-AG, and it'll act as a retrograde neurotransmitter, which means it's going backwards. We have this other inhibitory neuron that produces GABA. When GABA binds to its ion channel, it's going to open chloride and hyperpolarize the cell and keep the cell from having an action potential. We don't want that. We want this circuit to be strong. We want that synaptic plasticity. So whenever 2-AG comes back here and binds to the G protein cannabinoid receptor, it's going to shut it down. It's going to inhibit it. It's going to suppress it. And this is called depolarization-induced suppression of inhibition. So the depolarization caused by the glutamate is going to end up causing suppression of this inhibition. So that's a mouthful. Again, it's depolarization-induced suppression of inhibition. And this is going to strengthen that synapse and strengthen the learning process. In contrast, exogenous THC kind of has the opposite effect. It has deleterious effects such as on memory and on IQ scores and scholastic achievement. So don't go smoking weed thinking it's going to help your memory. Probably not good if you're in school and trying to learn this. But we're learning how we learn. And 2-AG, an endogenous cannabinoid, acting as a retrograde neurotransmitter, plays a big role in that.
Learn more about the human body. Subscribe, turn on those post notifications, give this video a big thumbs up. Bye.